NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.2, Question 9. Point P 5, minus 3 is one of the 2 points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 7, minus 2 and B 1, minus 5. We have to check if this statement is true or false. Let us find the answer. We are given 2 points A and B which form the line segment, and then we are given one of the points of trisection P 5, minus 3. And what are the points of trisection? On the line segment AB, the points of trisection are P1 and P2 such that they divide the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. Since the 2 points divide the line segment into 3 equal parts, they are called 2 points of trisection. The point P1 divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2, and the point P2 divides the line segment in the ratio 2:1 internally. And we have to check if the given point of trisection P 5, minus 3 is either P1 or P2. We find P1 and P2 and check if any of them is equal to P 5, minus 3. If so, then P is one of the points of trisection, and the given statement becomes true. Otherwise, it becomes false. Now let us find the point P1, the first point of trisection. The first point of trisection P1 divides the line segment AB in the ratio m:(n) is 1:2. And the points A and B, consider them as x1, y1 and x2, y2. And what is the section formula? P1 is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma, y coordinate is my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Now let us substitute the values in this formula. M is 1, x2 is 1, plus n is 2, x1 is 7, by m plus n is 1 plus 2. And in the y coordinate, m is 1, y2 is minus 5, plus n is 2, y1 is minus 2, by m plus n is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 14 is 15, by 3. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9, by 3. Which can be simplified to 5, minus 3. Therefore, the first point of trisection P1 is 5, minus 3, which is equal to the given point of trisection P 5, minus 3. Therefore, we have already found that the P1 which divides AB in the ratio 1:2 matches our given point of trisection. So there is no need to check for P2. We can conclude that P 5, minus 3 is one of the 2 points of trisection for the given line segment AB. Therefore, the given statement is true.